Hi guys, happy 4th of July to you and your family. And let me turn this light on, puts a little light on the situation. I'm talking kind of loud and I should be talking kind of softly because, well, she's sleeping. So anyways, we got Miss Madison here and we are going to watch the fireworks. Isn't that exciting? So, I gotta tell y'all, Mr. Brennan has found a new home, and there's a part 2 to that update. A new baby that will be joining, or not a new baby, but a baby that is very special to Daddy and I, that will be joining the nursery again. So stay tuned for that, guys. Super excited. He will be mailed out Tuesday. And if you want to see more of Mr. Brennan, he is going to Mrs. Connie Klein. You can check out her channel. She is a sweetheart. And he's going to have a good mama. So I'm excited about that. And let me show y'all what little Miss is going to wear for the 4th of July. So this is what she's going to be wearing. She's so cute. I got to find a binky that matches, but she won't have the shades on when she's watching the fireworks. Her glasses always tend to pop up, but they're a little bit big on her. So anyways, she is wearing this cute ensemble, and I'm just going to put some little sandals on her and we'll be ready to go. She's got a little something on her leg, trying to get off. Okay, so she's all ready. I just got to get her little sandals on her. I'm going to put a little headband on her. Little something simple, probably that. And we're going to head out to the fireworks show. Keep in mind it's going to be dark when the fireworks are going off. So I'm going to go in between flash and regular. So I hope y'all enjoy. Here we go, guys. We're in Daddy's truck and we were off to go see the fireworks with the town of Lockhart. And actually Lockhart was voted one of the top 10 towns in Texas to see a fireworks show. And as you can see, I am simply holding her because it's literally like a mile and a half away. So for those of you watching that may not know about these babies, this is a silicone baby, cloth body, and they're also known as therapy babies, reborn babies. Gosh, it's a fake baby, so that's why she's not in the car seat. So I'm ready for some fun. I don't know, it looks like to me she's gonna sleep right through it. What do you think, Daddy?
Probably.
Here we go. Just to show you guys, this is how big of a crowd we are dealing with. I guess they got the news that Lockhart was in the top 10 and it's gonna be packed. You got people everywhere. We are at the fireworks show and these people are skydiving. And this one has the American flag. I don't know if y'all can see it really well, but it's awfully cool. The what? Yep. And here's Daddy and Madison just chilling out. Where? Oh, I did miss it. Dang it. Boy, she's sleeping good.
Nope.
What are you doing?
Oh, she's tired. She wants to sleep.
It's almost time, guys. Almost time for the fireworks.
And that wind is cold, actually. For years and years.
Little Joshua is checking her out. So what do you think, Josh?
Yeah.
She's cute.
So that's for like tax evasion.
What do you think? Does she look real or not?
Murder,
Yeah,
all
she
kinds
looks
of stuff.
exactly
Any federal law.
like, oh.
It has to be a federal crime.
Yeah.
She's a little kitty. You want to hold her?
Never got scary over there.
Look how gentle he's being with her. And we have her ears covered. Getting to the finale.
Here it comes, I know.
There it goes. Oh, that baby. You hear it? That's amazing. Oh, that baby. Encore. Here we go. And I think that's it. That's it. Yay. Yeah, the ending first. Hope y'all enjoyed. Well, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed that. We sure did. We're on our way home. And she got a little fussy. That's why she's a little bit red. But overall, it was great. And she did so wonderful. And I hope y'all enjoyed it. Take care, guys. Talk to you later. Peace. Love you all. Bye-bye.